Copper is a fascinating element. It has a reddish-brown hue. In the world of chemistry we know it as Cu. This comes from cuprum, its Latin name. Copper's atomic number is 29. This places it among the transition metals on the periodic table. But copper isn't just any metal, it possesses unique properties that have captivated humankind for millennia. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity. Only silver surpasses it in this regard. This exceptional conductivity makes copper indispensable for electrical wiring and components in countless devices. Think about the vast networks of power lines that crisscross our planet, silently channeling the energy that powers our modern world. Copper is the unsung hero of this intricate web, but copper's talents don't stop there. It's also a superb conductor of heat. This property makes it ideal for applications where efficient heat transfer is essential, like heat exchangers, refrigerators, and even cooking utensils. Think of a pot simmering on a stovetop. Copper's rapid and even heat distribution ensures your food cooks uniformly. Beyond its conductivity, copper exhibits remarkable ductility and malleability. This means it can be easily drawn into wires and hammered into thin sheets without breaking. This remarkable flexibility has made copper a versatile material for countless applications throughout history. And then there's copper's resistance to corrosion. Unlike iron, which rusts when exposed to air and moisture, copper develops a protective layer called a patina. This greenish-blue coating not only shields the copper beneath but also adds a touch of character and beauty to copper objects over time. The story of copper is deeply intertwined with the story of human civilization. Imagine our ancestors living in a world where tools were primarily made of stone, bone, and wood. Then, around 9000 BCE, in a region we now call the Middle East, a discovery would forever alter the course of human history. This marked the dawn of the Copper Age. Early humans likely encountered copper in its native form, that is, as a pure metal found in nature. Its distinctive reddish-brown color would have set it apart from the surrounding rocks and minerals. And unlike most other metals, copper doesn't require intense heat to extract it from its ores. This meant that even with their rudimentary tools, our ancestors could shape and utilize this newfound material. The first uses of copper were likely ornamental. Its warm, lustrous color made it a prized material for jewelry, beads, and other decorative objects. But it wasn't long before our ancestors discovered copper's practical applications. Copper's malleability allowed it to be hammered into tools and weapons that were sharper, more durable, and easier to shape than their stone predecessors. Axes, knives, arrowheads, and other implements fashioned from copper gave early humans a distinct advantage in their quest for food, shelter, and security. As humans entered the Bronze Age around 3000 BCE, copper's importance grew exponentially. The discovery that alloying copper with tin created bronze, a metal even harder and more durable than copper alone, revolutionized warfare, agriculture, and countless other aspects of ancient societies. The Egyptians, renowned for their architectural marvels and sophisticated craftsmanship, were masters of copper metallurgy. They used copper not only for tools and weapons, but also for intricate jewelry, elaborate religious artifacts, and even plumbing systems. The ancient Romans, too, relied heavily on copper, using it for coins, water pipes, and even medical instruments. Copper's significance in ancient cultures extended beyond its practical uses. It held deep symbolic meaning in many societies. In ancient China, copper was associated with wealth, health, and good fortune. The ancient Greeks believed copper possessed healing properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments. The properties that made copper so valuable to our ancestors, its conductivity, durability, malleability, and resistance to corrosion, continue to make it an indispensable material in the modern world. In fact, copper's importance has only grown in the digital age. Consider the ubiquitous electrical wire. Whether it's the wiring in our homes, the cables that connect our computers, or the intricate circuitry in our smartphones, copper is the material of choice for transmitting electricity efficiently and reliably. Its exceptional conductivity ensures that power flows smoothly, minimizing energy loss and preventing overheating. But copper's role in our modern world extends far beyond electrical wiring. It's a critical component in countless other applications, from transportation and construction to healthcare and renewable energy. Copper's high thermal conductivity makes it ideal for use in heat exchangers, which are used in a wide range of industrial and commercial applications, from power plants to air conditioning systems. Its resistance to corrosion makes it an excellent choice for plumbing pipes and water heaters, ensuring clean, safe water delivery for millions of households. Section 5. Copper in the modern world. Step into a modern hospital and you'll find copper playing a life-saving role. Copper's antimicrobial properties, its ability to kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and viruses, have been recognized for centuries. In recent years, there's been a resurgence of interest in using copper in healthcare settings to combat hospital-acquired infections. Copper-coated surfaces, such as doorknobs, bed rails, and even stethoscopes, are becoming increasingly common in hospitals and clinics worldwide. Studies have shown that these surfaces can significantly reduce the spread of harmful pathogens, creating a safer environment for patients and healthcare workers alike. But copper's contributions to human well-being extend far beyond the hospital walls. It's a vital component in renewable energy technologies that are helping us transition to a more sustainable future. Section 6. Electrifying the future with copper. As the world embraces electric vehicles to combat climate change, copper is once again at the forefront of technological advancement. EVs rely heavily on copper for their electric motors, batteries, wiring harnesses, and charging infrastructure. In fact, an average EV contains roughly 3 times more copper than a conventional gasoline-powered car. But copper's role in a sustainable future goes beyond EVs. It's also a crucial component in solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy systems that are helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Solar panels, for example, use copper wiring to conduct electricity generated by photovoltaic cells. Wind turbines use copper in their generators, which convert the kinetic energy of the rotating blades into electricity. As the demand for renewable energy continues to grow, so too will the demand for copper. This presents both challenges and opportunities. Section 7. Copper in our homes and everyday lives. Copper's versatility is perhaps most evident in the sheer diversity of everyday objects that rely on this remarkable metal. From the coins we use to buy our morning coffee to the pipes that carry water to our homes, copper is an integral part of our daily lives. Pick up a penny, and you're holding a small piece of copper history. While pennies in some countries are now made primarily of zinc, the iconic American penny is still composed mostly of copper. Copper's resistance to corrosion ensures that these small tokens of currency can withstand the test of time. But copper's presence in our homes extends far beyond our wallets. It's in the wiring that powers our lights and appliances, the pipes that deliver water to our faucets and showers, and even the cookware in our kitchens. Copper-bottomed pots and pans are prized by chefs and home cooks alike for their exceptional heat conductivity and even heating. Section 8. Sustainability of copper. Given copper's importance in our modern world, it's natural to wonder about the sustainability of this valuable resource. After all, copper is a finite resource, and mining it can have environmental impacts. The good news is that copper is highly recyclable. In fact, it's one of the most recycled metals on the planet. Nearly a third of the copper used globally each year comes from recycled sources. This means that the copper wire in your smartphone or the copper pipes in your home could have once been part of a building, a car, or even an ancient artifact. Recycling copper requires significantly less energy than mining and processing new copper ore. This not only conserves natural resources but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions and other environmental impacts associated with mining. Section 9. Copper, a legacy for the future. From the tools and weapons of our ancestors to the smartphones and electric vehicles of today, copper has played a pivotal role in shaping human civilization. Its unique properties, conductivity, durability, malleability, and resistance to corrosion have made it an indispensable material for millennia. As we look to the future, copper's importance is only set to grow. Its role in renewable energy technologies, electric vehicles, and countless other innovations will be crucial in addressing global challenges like climate change and resource scarcity. By embracing sustainable mining practices, investing in recycling technologies, and continuing to explore new applications for this versatile metal, we can ensure that copper continues to benefit humankind for generations to come. Copper's story is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning to unfold.